Hi, I'm Geeta Mikal. I'm a registered physiotherapist with advanced training in vestibular rehabilitation, which means I have the knowledge and the experience to assess, treat, and help my patients with dizziness and vertigo and balance problems to manage their symptoms. I want to invite you to our next workshop on dizziness and balance. This workshop is going to be very informative, easy to understand, and it's free. In this workshop, you're going to hear and learn about the many causes of dizziness and how to manage them. There are different causes for dizziness. Most of the time, dizziness that we treat in the clinic is because it originates from inner ear. Sometimes it's because of the medication that patients are taking. Sometimes it's because of a concussion, a car accident, a fall. Regardless of what causes the dizziness, the major problem is developing a fear of fall and being unsteady. That affects our patient's life. So if you, a friend, your parents, or someone whom you care about experiences any of these symptoms, this workshop is for you. We only have 20 spots available, so sign up today to reserve your spot. I'll see you then.